Good morning everyone. Welcome to Vista's learning classes. I am your maths tutor Shruthi. Now, what have we dealt in the previous session? Now, hold on. Before that, I hope everyone remember our motto, that is always keep on learning. No matter what, it is not only from the book you learn from everywhere. And I hope everyone remember our vision, that is, it is not only right to education, it is right to quality education, and our services are V-Learning and VSMS. V-Learning, well, it's an online platform where you can find many animated concepts, and VSMS, Vista School Management System, where you can track the students' progress. Now, let us come to a session. So now, in the previous session, what have we done? We have dealt a new chapter, that is lines and angles. We have seen many things, that is, I hope I have said a small trick, that is complementary and supplementary. From C, you are able to make 90 degree. From S, that is nothing but straight angle, that is 180 degree. I hope many students get confused. From this trick, I hope this will be helpful, right? Yes, and we have seen a new angle, that is adjacent angle. Now, what are we going to learn in this session? We'll be learning the further concepts, that is, now vertically opposite angle. This is one of the very important angles where it has been carried forwarded for next standards also. And next, pair of lines. In pair of lines, you will be learning three important and also one extra important concept, that is intersecting line, transversal, angle made by a transversal, transversal of parallel line. So, these three concepts are both one and the same, but it has been divided. So, now we will be learning vertically opposite angle. Where exactly we find this vertically opposite angle? Now, suppose if you see this picture, what is this exactly? Ma'am, this is just a scissor. What is there in this? Yes, this might be just a scissor, but this is also one type of the angle. Okay ma'am, since two lines are intersecting, okay, we can say that there is angle forming, but it is something named as vertically opposite angle. Why it is called as vertically opposite angle? Because if it is in the symbol x, now since it is in the symbol x, so this angle, suppose let me name it as 1 and this angle let me name it as 2. So, 1 and 2 are vertically opposite angle, and suppose this one 3 and this one 4. So, 3 and 4 are vertically opposite angle. So, I hope you are able to understand this. Many students complain this, ma'am, I know all the chapters, but I don't know where exactly to implement this. But maths is one subject where you can find everywhere, but you have to keep on thinking. That is the one main thing. Now, if you just think it, the surrounding example, that is scissor or whatever, the iron rod, that is the iron stand over there, that is also vertically opposite angle. If you just see the stand over there, so this is also in the X shape. So, whichever is in the X shape, and that is nothing but it is an example of vertically opposite angle. So, now this is 1. I am naming it, you can name it as any number over there. So, now this is 2 and this is 3 and this is 4 over there. So, now 1 and 2 is vertically opposite, 3 and 4 is vertically opposite angle. So, this is how you can classify in the real life example also. Now, I hope you are able to understand what is vertically opposite angle. Let us come to the actual definition. What exactly? So, when two lines intersect, that is called as vertically opposite angle. So, now intersect. What is the meaning of intersect? That is, they are forming one upon the other. And it is not only intersection, but you have to think about the angle also. You can ask, ma'am, can this 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I have named it differently. So, now you can ask a question, ma'am, can 1 and 2 be vertically opposite? No, vertical. Vertical means the line which is over in the straight line. Horizontal, I hope you know this one. Now, the axis, the x-axis is horizontal. The y-axis is vertical. I hope you can classify with the graph over there, right? Yes, in the same way, it is related, vertically opposite. 1 and 3, according to this figure, 1 and 3 is vertically opposite and 2 and 4 is vertically opposite. I hope you are able to understand why not 1 and 2 is vertically opposite angle. Now, the next new concept, that is pair pair of lines. In pair of lines, you will be learning intersecting lines. I hope everyone know the English meaning of what is the pair over there. So yes, so now it is intersecting lines. What is intersecting lines? The same way, since we have used the intersect word in the previous concept, the same it is repeating over there, but with some changes over there. What is that changes? Now, when two lines intersect, when two lines are intersecting, then the point is called as point of intersection. That is what the figure has been shown. So this is the point of intersection. And can you just give the real life example? Yes, it is the railway track. So in the railway track, so suppose on one track there might be another track also. I hope you know this one, because as per the schedule it goes according to this figure, according to this train, the schedule has to go. But when you see the track over there, there is something called as intersection. So that point is called as point of intersection. So this is what the actual meaning of intersecting lines. Now these are small examples. What exactly all this? Well, what is the first figure? It is nothing but tower, the mobile tower over there. How about this one? Yes, it is this bicycle wheel. And how about this one? The road tracks or whatever it is. I hope you are able to understand this real life examples, right? Yes. So this is also intersecting. When you just look up the tower over there, there are some lines, there are some rods. That is also intersection. When you just see the bicycle, that is also, see, if you just zoom and see this one, that is also intersection line. And how about this one? Obviously road tracks. You can find many flyovers over there which are intersected. If you just see the bird view over there, you can find the intersecting lines over there. So these are all the real life examples. I hope that was interesting, right? So till now you were not knowing that bicycle also has this concept. Now that is more interesting to learn, right? Yes. How about the next concept? That is transversal. Under pair of lines, you will be having the second concept, that is transversal. What is exactly transversal? Let us read the definition over there. A line that intersects two or more lines at distinct points is called as transversal. So you can find the picture over there. So that is railway track. So this is also one of the example of transversal. Ma'am, how is this? I am not able to understand. Okay, let me give an example. So suppose there is a track over there. Okay, and there is one more track which has been running. Now two trains are going from here to here and here to here. Already there is a track. So now on the two lines, so there is two lines over there, that is one upon the other. So this is also one pair of transversal. That is what the figure. So now Y and Z, one track, and now there is a train moving, that is, let me call it as X, which is this point, that is A point and B point. So this line is called as transversal. I hope you are able to understand this. But main thing you have to understand, it has to be parallel over there. So parallel, as soon as you remember the word parallel, it is nothing but railway track. You have to remember railway track example. The next concept, that is the third concept, pair of lines, under pair of lines, angles made by a transversal. What are the angles made by a transversal? Now these are the important words you have to remember. One is interior angle, next exterior angle, pair of corresponding angle, next alternate interior angle, next alternate exterior angle, next pair of interior angles on the same side of transversal. So easy method to remember. Interior, exterior. Interior which is inside, exterior which is outside. Now according to this figure, interior angle, which are the interior angle? So 3 and 4, and next 5 and 6. These are the interior angle. Exterior which is outside. That is so easy. So now 1, 2, 7, 8. All these are exterior angle. Isn't it easy? Yes. How about the corresponding angle? So corresponding angle 1 and 5. How about this one? So it is something that is the transversal line and the same line over there. So this line and this angle and this angle. So what is this angle named? 1 and 5. So this is corresponding angle. How, ma'am, why you are writing only the left side? Okay, you can take the right side also. So this side, that is 2 and 6. That is also corresponding angle over there. I hope you are able to understand this. That is what we have written over there. And again, you can name it as 3, 7, that is 3 and 7. The bottom portion, let me take it as the bottom portion. So, this portion and this portion, that is also corresponding angle. How about this one? Yes. So, 4 and 8, that is also corresponding angle. I hope you are able to classify this one. Now, how about the next one? So, important thing is this table is taken directly from your textbook. So, you have to pay attention. Now, next is pair of alternate interior angle. What is alternate interior angle? Easy method to remember alternate interior angle. So, suppose let me go back to my school days. So, alternate angle is one of my favorite angles because it is so easy to identify. Now, something which is in Z shape or reverse Z shape. I hope you are able to zoom it over here, right? So, now 3 and 6. So, now 3 and 6, yes, it is in Z shape. And next 4 and 5, yes, it is in reverse Z shape. So, alternate Z shape, reverse Z shape, easy method. Now, pair of alternate interior angle, you have to just name it inside. Alternate exterior angle, you have to just name it outside, the same way. It is just the combination. Next, pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Same side of the transversal. So, interior angle, where is the interior angle? Which is inside. So, inside, which is the angle located? So, 3 and 5. Now, how about the next one? Is there any interior angle? Yes, there is still interior angles. So, 4 and 6. So, transversal, I hope you will remember the train example, right? So, transversal, 2 tracks, upon that one more track is coming. So, that is nothing but transversal line over there. So, here according to this figure, P is a transversal. I hope you are able to classify what is corresponding angle and alternate angle. These are the two important things. And normal English word, interior and exterior, that is very easy one. How about the next concept? That is the last one, transversal of parallel lines. What is transversal of parallel lines? So, it is nothing but if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, each pair of corresponding angles are equal in measure. Ma'am, what is this exactly? Easy method. Since two pairs are cutting, yes, when you measure this one, it is equal. That is what it is just meant. Now, next one, if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, each pair of alternate interior angles are equal. Just now we have dealt what is alternate interior angle. So, obviously, when you measure the alternate interior, ma'am, what is alternate? Just remember Z and reverse Z shape. So, when you measure those two also, suppose if it is cut by a transversal, when you measure it is equal. This is what the second point is. Next, if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then each pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. What is this exactly? So, now since I have written the transversal line, when you measure this and this, or when you measure this and this one, interior or exterior, if you measure that one, I hope you remember the angle measurement. What is supplementary? Yes, yes is nothing but straight angle. So, straight angle, what is the measure? 180 degree. So, when you measure those two, it is 180 degree over there. That is what it is meant. So, this is one of the important points. So, when you measure the interior angles, it is equal to 180 degree, or you might get in the 1 mark question regarding this. Now, what is this exactly? So, this is nothing but the summary of what have we learned, how to identify this. Now, the first picture, what is this first picture? This picture is directly taken from your textbook. I hope you have to pay attention. The F shape stands for corresponding angle. Since you were unaware, that is you were feeling difficulty to remember what is corresponding angle. Now, easy method, corresponding is nothing but F shape or reverse F shape, alternate Z shape or reverse Z shape. And also alternate is nothing but Z you can turn. If you turn, what might you get? It is nothing but N shape also. So N shape or reverse N shape also alternate angle. So this also you have to remember. How about X? X is nothing but vertically opposite angle. So N is nothing but alternate angle. How about F or reverse F shape? So F or reverse F shape, that is nothing but corresponding angle. See, in this figure, if I highlight this one, so this is in the F shape. So now that is this concept, this angle and this angle, that is nothing but corresponding angle. How about this one? Is it looking like F? Yes, if you just turn your head around, it is looking like F over there. Now, how about this one? Again, it is looking like reverse F if you just turn your head around. How about this one? Ma'am, this is in Z shape. Yes, since it is in Z shape, it is called as alternate angle. How about this one? Yes, it is reverse Z shape. So that is obviously alternate angle. And how about this one? Yes, again reverse Z shape, alternate angle. So this is just a glimpse of whatever we have learned. So interior angle, inside thing, and what is corresponding angle? It is in F shape. So that is this angle and this angle. How about alternate angle? Z shape, reverse Z shape, N shape or reverse N shape. I hope you are able to classify all this. You might get in the fill up the blanks or 2 marks question over there. So now the overall picture of what have we learnt in this entire session. So that is nothing but interior, exterior, corresponding, alternate interior, alternate exterior, interior on the same side of the transversal. You can just zoom it over here. So this is textbook. This picture is directly taken from your textbook. So you have to pay attention because this is one of the very important concept because it is a combination of entire chapter over there. So interior means inside. So 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 3, 4, 5, 6. All these are interior angles because it is coming inside. How about exterior? 1, 2, 7, 8 because it is coming outside. How about the corresponding F shape? So as soon as you get corresponding, it is F shape. So that is nothing but 1 and 5. Yes, this angle and this angle. Yes, it is in F shape. And how about this one? 2 and 6. Yes, it is in reverse F shape. How about 3 and 7? So yes, 3 and 7. So this angle and this angle. Next 4 and 8. Yes, it is again in the reverse F shape. How about alternate interior angle? Alternate interior, just remember when you get alternate, Z and N. So 3 and 6. So 3 and 6, yes, it is in Z shape. How about next one? So 4 and 5. So 4 and 5, yes, it is in reverse Z shape. So this is number 5. Alternate exterior, just which is outside. That is very easy. I hope you can understand. Interior on the same side of the transversal. This is where many students get confused. They know what is transversal, but they forget to write interior or exterior. So as soon as you get interior, it is nothing but inside you have to plot. So 3 and 5, that is alternate, that is interior on the same side of the transversal. So wherever the transversal line is there, you have to just name the angle over there. How about 4 and 6? Yes, 4 and 6 is just interior. How about exterior? Yes, if you get exterior, you have to concentrate on 1, 2, 7, 8 angles. I hope. Till now, what have we learned? So, in the previous 2 sessions, we have learned n number of angles, right? Yes, that is corresponding angle, alternate angle and complementary angle, supplementary angle, adjacent angle. So, all these angles are carry forward until your 10th standard. This is very important concept. Now, I hope the class was very interesting, right? Yes. Now, to listen to more such interesting classes, you have to do like, share and subscribe to our channel. It would be a great support for us. And hold on, at the same time, we'll be going live in both our channel, that is www.vlearning.in in our website and as well as our YouTube channel. And you can catch us in our Facebook and Instagram page also. For that, you have to click the description below over there. Now, I hope the class was very interesting. To listen to more such classes, you have to tune into our channel. Now, see you in the next class with more problems. What is that? It is MCQ problems. Isn't it interesting? Because you have to just play with the 4 options over there. Yes. See you in the next class. Till then, bye-bye.